So are you ready for your last dad joke of the semester? Why was 6 mad at 7? Because 7, 8, 9. It's a dad joke we've all heard, but when it comes to making presentations and giving speeches in the professional world and at school these next semesters, I want you to focus on being a 9 or a 10 in a land of 4s and 5s. Because you want to stand out, be different, make strong presentations, and know what you're talking about. So I want to talk about two things in this outro video that I think about when I think about our semester together. The first is how everybody did. There was improvement. It was a difficult platform for some, but people got better toward the end. And I think the number one thing that everyone in this class needs to work on is structure, from the structure of the introduction and the conclusion to the structure of the overall presentation from beginning to end. The second thing I want to mention, though, is the future. Most folks in these classes are not graduating, so that means you have dry run chances at making presentations in classroom situations where money is not on the line, where promotion's not necessarily on the line, where you can have fun, make risks, and take chances. And we need to do this. We need to step out of our comfort zone because, as you can imagine, someone who has taught this subject now for almost 20 years, I've seen a lot of shitty speeches. And it's really easy to give a shitty speech. And much like math class in America, where people can get a pass by saying they're not good at math, people say the same thing about public speaking. But the people who stand out are those who are different, they try hard, they're earnest, which means they want to be there, and they want to do a good job for their audience. So I want you to continue to do that. Work on your visual presentation, work on your PowerPoints, make sure that you have great structure, and come see us in the speech program, in the speech department, in the communication department as a whole whenever you need anything for the rest of your time at UT and even afterward. So, why was 6 mad at 7? Because 7, 8, 9. And 9s are what I want you to be when you're making presentations outside of our class. Remember what I said in one of my final emails, that if you do a good job and you make great presentations, you came from our class. If you go back to death by PowerPoint, clicking through slides, doing crappy group presentations, we never met. Have a great summer, be careful, and I hope to see you soon.